Welcome to Agribusiness Coach. What we are doing this morning, you can see we are laying our mulching film. This is mulching film. You can also call it plastic mulch. What's the work of plastic mulch? It controls weeds and it preserves moisture. It conserves soil moisture. It protects from weed, and especially in this dry season when there is quick evapotranspiration, it helps control moisture loss on the beds, so that when we are irrigating we will need to irrigate much more frequently because of evapotranspiration that we have much more during the dry season. So it conserves moisture, it controls weeds, and that is the two most basic importance of mulching film. Then it cools, it regulates soil temperature, because like you can see, this mulching film comes in silver and black. So in areas where we want the soil, we want it to reflect heat and keep the soil cooler, we make sure the silver will be up. Then in other ways, if we want it to trap heat, the silver will be under and the black will be up. Okay, so that is just it. So like you can see, these seedlings this one that we already installed. Okay, you see, after we are done with the installation, we now perforate a hole close to the drip irrigation emitter. We perforate a hole close to the drip irrigation emitter and we plant. So that is the same. So we are expanding the habanero farm. You see, those ones are the ones that are already growing. Those ones are already big. We show them the bigger ones. The ones we already harvested from this one. So we just desire to expand it. So first of all, what we do before we install the mulching film, we first of all set up our drip irrigation. You see the drip irrigation. That's the main line is over there. The main line is the lay flat hose that's over there. Okay. So after we are done, we now run the plastic mulch in such a way that the drip tapes will be underneath the mulching film. Okay, we make sure that the drip tape is under. Some persons do their own in such a way that the drip tape is on top of the mulching film. So either ways, as far as you lay your mulching film and your crops are getting the right moisture, there is no challenge. So you see, we are going to be doing it manually. We don't really have the machine for to do it. If you come to the front. See? So I want you have made it like this, you just cover it. Make sure you draw it. Make sure to draw it well so that just everything. Come to this place. should have cut this enough. Should have cut this enough so that the mulching thing will be, you understand? Okay, but no problem. No problem. Okay. So I forgot to mention the dimension of this mulching film is 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters by 500 meters length. So the width, that's length from here to here, is 1.2 meters. Then the roll is 500 meters. It comes in different dimensions and different sizes with different prices too. Okay. So that is it basically. That's what we got to do. You adjust this one. So this one will be inside. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you very much.